Hi, I'm Amanda, and today we're going to go over the parts of a circle. So, what are the parts of a circle? So, when we think of a circle, the first thing that comes to our minds is some round shape, like coins, rings, plates, a pizza, a CD. You think of like wheels on a car, bus, truck, anything that's round in shape. If you take a stone and tie it to one end of a string and swing it in the air by holding the other end, like swinging, it'll make a circular path. So, that's also could be a circle. Just a couple parts of a circle. A circle is a collection of all those points in a plane that are at a given constant distance from a fixed point. So there's a center of the circle. So the circle is a closed figure made up of points in a plane that are at the same distance from a fixed point called the center. So every point along the edge here is the same distance from the center. We also have the radius. It's the constant distance from the center to the edge. So here, O to A, that's the radius. Anything from the middle to one end. A chord is a line segment joining 2 points on a circle. So in here, we can see AB is a chord. If the chord passes through the center, then it is the longest chord, just the diameter, which we'll talk about in a minute. But yeah, so AB is a chord, just any point from one end to the other on a circle. And here we are with the diameter. So the diameter passes through the center and hits both sides. So right here, from C to D, that's the diameter. It can also be seen as a chord. And here, from the center to C is the radius, and from the center to D is also the radius. So we'll do some practice problems kind of to see how that works. So here, B to C, we know it goes from both ends. So it's either the diameter or the chord. But if we look, it doesn't go through the center, so it's a chord. Point H, that's the middle, so it's the center. VW, it goes from both ends, so it's either a chord or a diameter, but if we see, it goes through the middle, so it's diameter. And lastly, we have the center, which is V, goes all the way to one end, so that's the radius. We'll do a couple more. So this goes from both ends but doesn't go through the center, so that's a chord. And then PQ, both ends, and it goes through the center. So that's the diameter. That's the middle, so the center, and that goes from the middle just to one side, so the radius. So yeah, that's how you know the parts of a circle.